Hello, my name is Bob Willis and welcome to Winnie TV here at SMTconnect. I'm with Juergen. And Juergen, would you like to introduce yourself, your company, and also what's the number one feature that you're showing at the show?
Okay. And the introduction is easier than saying the number one feature because there are more than one feature. No, my name is Juergen. I'm the managing director of the ASYS Group, automation company. And if you take a look on our booth, as usual, we show the full range of our solutions. Very much about software focus, more and more about the total solution to our customers, the deep integration from the material logistics with autonomous features, the barrier between hard and software is fading away, and you try to enhance investments customer do with our equipment that in each, let's say, interval of a new software release, they get new features, they can get more uptime out of their equipment. So that's the way we go. Better total integrated solutions and keep enhancing functionalities for our customers which invest in our technologies.
So when I was in sort of volume manufacture, we really just didn't have these tools. You can see it from my age. We did the best we could, but nowadays you can find pretty much any data if you take the time to find it. But I guess the main thing is making it easy and as accessible as possible.
For sure, yeah. I mean, the way we do it, we have a huge portfolio. We do handling, we do fully final assembly, laser process machines, routing machines. But the way we build machines is modular, and the way our software is modular, but it's all the same cores, same libraries, the same data models, the same interfacing. So we standardize this one to make this data universally in the same standards available. Because then you can start connecting it. When we have our Pulse Pro software suite, which is like the interface between hardware structures to any surrounding in the facility, like an MES system. And if you want to top this up now, like what we do with AI features, and then you have all your solutions totally integrated on the same software modules, on the same data modules, then you can really drive innovation, because then it's immediately available. And as I just said in the beginning, that's the way we keep enhancing it, because the next generation of software and immediately available for all of our machines, what are installed, that's the way it goes forward for us.
So what do you find, or what do you envisage is going to be the most demanding thing moving forward? Well, the customer, first of all. But
well, everybody is on a very competitive pressure in our industries. So you want to make sure, you want to keep your capex in check. You want to make sure, even with a low-level operators, you can run high sophisticated integrated solutions. So you need on one hand to be very sophisticated that you can handle all these kind of things, but you still need to make it so simple that you don't need much people to run it. And that's the points we try to address. Give the customer a reasonable entry price on investment to start with their equipment. Make it so smart that it really gives you a competitive advantage compared to some, let's say, low-tech solutions. And on the other hand, make it as easy as possible usable. And that's the way what the solution we drive is having some software on top which can help what the white-collar workers are doing, which is also less and less available. Skilled people can run all these kind of things and make the best out of these areas and try to always keep enhancing this one.
And how demanding are your customer in terms of looking at data that is available from your systems?
Well, that gets bigger and bigger, because they want to have a very, very deep traceability meanwhile, very, very deep. And then it's the same way of thinking of how we can we do some more predicted stuff and things like this one. Then you need to think how to make it accessible and also how to make it secure. Like the way we are approaching it, that like we have AI features where we give the AI engine, customer can modify it for their data, and they keep their data localized for themselves or their end customer. No need for us to access, but we give them capability for it. We can enhance it further, but we can give still the control to them, or let the control by them. But end customers for sure demand as well more visibility and data availability. Again, therefore in our roadmap, all of our equipment, same software cores, same libraries, same interfacing, to have these things for a simple conveyor belt, 500 millimeter lengths, not just much process behind, and a high sophisticated final assembly cell, it has the same transport library. We not program different software, and the data model immediately available. And that's, once you put 2-3 years of engineering in all of your platforms, you make a leap of capabilities, and that's what we now start really reaping in terms of benefits, because every generation of platform comes out, the total solution you can provide, that's pretty nice.
And on the training side, the education side, typically, how long does it take somebody to learn the basic interface software or be able to gather data?
This is fairly simple meanwhile. I mean, if, again, looking at our solutions, same analogy about the different kind of process machines, our interfacing is the same. So if you stand in front of an ASYS routing machine, a laser machine, a final assembly machine, the look and feel, same. Yes, if you go deeper into certain options because of different machine capability, then you go in a different functionality. But the way you have to use it and the way you program is the same technology. It's made in a way it's easy accessible. We spent years on optimizing this kind of things. And again, once you reach the level, then it's getting really comfortable because you can put people in, and once they understood one part, they move to any other machine there. Oh, same. Okay. Same. They know exactly where to touch it, where to use it. Same.
All right, Juergen. Thank you very much for coming by.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you very much. And hopefully the questions weren't too demanding.
No, all good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.